Nanay! Uy, sana nga. Go in the kitchen, anak. Hello, Des. Kumusta? Oh, yeah. Pag 500 yan, madali na yan. Ayan, 500. Wow! O, sana nga 500 yan. Oh, bumaba. What happened? Oh. Where's your bike? Oh, naka. Are you gonna cook for your doggy? Your doggy is hungry.
Here, did you do this joke, Kate?
After I'm done reading.
Yum, yum, yum.
Let's play a bit.
Are you doing biking na? Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh, oh! You got, yeah, naka 19,000 na tayo. Wow! 20,000 na. Oh, baka kaya natin 30,000, no, Chay? Oh, hey! Go in the kitchen if you want privacy. Whoa. Whoa. I know. Ayan, 20,000 tayo, guys. Ayan. Kung 500. Okay, one more. Kung katulad kanina, sana 500. Kaya abot ng 1,000, no? 1,000 sana nanonood. Char. Charot talaga si Jelana eh. Thank you. Yan, 21,000 na siya. Oh. Oh! You did good job on that one. Try it again. That's a nice horse. I like that. Oh, Ate Dong's home.
You're so purple.
It's sus.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Laro. You wanna go to the garage now so you didn't play your toy in the garage anymore? So you're good here? You wanna play in the garage? I can play with you there. Where are you going? Why you bring your horse? Oh. Okay. Nakasara. Why, what's going on with you and Jade?
No, she's trying to touch my phone.
Why she's trying to touch? When did she learn touching that?
No, I was having her delete this kid, but I didn't do it.
What kid? Delete what?
Oh, one of Jolene's friends added my number to the group or something like that.
Oh,
The crew.
did you delete it now?
I did it, yeah.
Oh,
I said it, supply it.
yeah.
No biggie.
Oo nga eh.
Oh, cold.
Whoa. Exercise.
Hey, boy.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. Yeah, do that.
There's nothing left in dad.
That's hard.
You want dad to do that?
Maybe tomorrow. Daddy will be flexible.
Dad or break the horse?
Whoa. At 24,000 na kaya siguro kaya.
I'll break the horse. You want dad to break the horse?
Whoa. You wanna go to the garage now? Come on. Let's go to the garage. You have not played your, do you wanna learn your ice rollerblades? Rollerblades.
Skating.
You're skating.